Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is how to replace the printer unit of RM800 or KR800. First we open the printer, then check why we are replacing the printer. So you are looking that some is fall down, so that's why printer cover is open, error is showing. So how to open? So that this all the screw will need to be open first. So I am opening all the screw, then we have to check how to replace the printer unit. Open the both side cover. First left side cover open, then open the right side of cover. For right side of cover, that uh, button should be pressed. After that it will be removed all the screw and covers. So we have to this screw for replacing the printer unit, we have to remove the display unit also. For that we have to remove this all the screw, then all the cable connection need to be disconnected. Then we will check how to replace the printer unit. I remove all the connection. Now printer cable is connected there, so disconnected this printer cable from that motherboard. Now I am removing. Now I am remove all the cables connection. Let's check how to open the printer unit. That middle side one screw is there. We have to remove this screw. After that all the unit is came outside. This is the printer unit. This is new one printer unit. So we will replace this the printer unit. Okay. Because of that printer cover is not properly locked, that's why we are replacing the printer unit. Have you seen this new one? Now I am installing the new printer unit. Check properly, see properly, then also replacing the printer cover roller. You will see on the video. Remove this two screw and fix like that. Properly fix. Now everything I do properly connect the cable to the printer unit and printer cable with motherboard, then reconnected all the cables. Now we will check is working properly or not. Wait for minutes. We are checking all the cable is connected properly or not. Insert the paper units, insert the paper roll. Now we are checking is properly. Machine is booting now. Sure, you are not seeing any messages on the screen. We are giving the print commands, print is coming down. So now you know how to replace the printer unit. Thank you.